We are going to learn exterior angle property. And I told you in a polygon, had it been a, it doesn't matter how many number of sides a polygon has, the exterior angle remains same. Exterior angle is always 360. Exterior angle is always 360.
360.
Yes. This is exercise 3.2. I'll start with question number 3.
Yes.
The question says, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degrees? As I have told you, exterior angle sum.
Divided by
15 sides.
Wait. Let me explain. I have to teach the whole class.
And 360 divided by 24.
I think I have to mute you people. You won't listen that way. You won't understand. Yes. As I told you, sum of exterior angles remains constant. The value is 360 always. Now to find the number of sides, we have to divide 360 by the angle. And to find the angle, we have to divide 360 by number of sides. So all of you please start writing also. Now see what will happen. We will first write number of sides of a regular polygon. We have to calculate this, having an exterior angle of 24 degree is, as you all told me, 360 divided by 24. And the answer comes out 15. Therefore, a regular polygon of 15 sides will have an exterior angle of 24 degree. 2 participants have raised the hand. Let me see who are these. Is there anybody who has a query? Is there anybody who has a query? He or she can raise his hand if anybody has query. Otherwise, whatever is written in blue is the solution of the question. Keep on writing as I am writing. Apurva, bolo. Yes, speak up.
मैम हम ऐसे अगर दिया गया कि हमें साइड्स दी गई और 360 मतलब हमें डिग्रीज निकालने हैं, तो हम डिग्रीज को एक्स लेके निकाल सकते हैं ना?
एक्स लेके भी कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज यू कैन डायरेक्टली फाइंड by dividing 360 by angle, you will get side. Dividing 360 by side, you will get angle.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Can I move to the next question? Somebody has again raised the hand. Let me see who is this. Nobody. Please don't waste time like this. I told you in the starting only that I have to finish with exercise 3.3, 3.4 before you all go for vacations. Otherwise, I'll take extra classes. Yes. Next question. Next question says, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 165 degree? Like Apurva asked me right now, here, Shivansh, you want to answer? Wait, let me explain, then I'll ask you the answer. Here again, here interior angle is given to us, but we cannot find the number of sides of a polygon if interior angle is given. We cannot find that. Pranay, speak up.
Ma'am, we will find the
Ma'am.
exterior
Wait,
angle
wait,
by
Apurva,
using.
wait. Pranay has raised his hand. Pranay, bolo.
मैम मुझे आंसर देना था, बोल दूं आंसर?
First, how will I proceed? How should I proceed?
मैम जो इंटीरियर एंगल है वो तो 165 डिग्री है, तो एक्सटीरियर एंगल को 180 डिग्री माइनस 165 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 15 डिग्री।
Okay, he's
ये
saying.
वही हमारा एक्सटीरियर।
He's saying we will find out first exterior, and this is what I was telling you. Because sum of exterior angles is fixed, not the interior angles. You should know the reason why we are finding exterior angle. We are finding exterior angle because exterior angle, sum of exterior angle is fixed. Let me see what will happen. If I find the exterior angle, I need to subtract 165 from 180. I will get 15 degree. Now I can divide. Now I can divide 360 by 15 to get number of sides. Now I can divide.
24.
Yes, whatever. Shivansh, how are you? Shivansh, how are you?
Ma'am, fine. Ma'am, how are you?
Now you are well?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, good. Yes, please children note down. Side by side, keep on noting down as I am writing. I am typing, you all can write side by side. If anybody has query, he or she can raise his hand. Otherwise, put your hand down. Put your hands down. Put your hands down. If no queries, put your hands down. Krish, understood?
No ma'am.
What happened?
मैम ये मैम ब्लैक ब्लैक से कुछ आ रहा है।
Black side is not coming in between the solution. Is it coming in between the solution?
मैम yes.
I can see it's very clearly. Black is here, not in between the solution. This blue part is the solution. This blue part is the solution.
Okay.
In my video, you'll be able to see it clearly. Hamza, yes. Wait, let me unmute you. Bolo.
मैम रैंडम ब्लैक बॉक्सेस आ रहे हैं मैम स्क्रीन पे।
It is coming on the down app. That is for your video panel. How will I talk otherwise? How will I talk to you? That is only for you people. I need to talk to you. That's why it is only coming this side. Because I have to talk to you people. Now is it better? Jitin, are you able to see it?
Yes, ma'am.
I am trying my best to keep these boxes here and there, not to come in between. Don't raise your hand if it is you don't have query. That also creates a box there. If you raise your hand, it creates a box there. Now, Apurva, any query? Apurva, why have you raised the hand? Yes, Apurva, bolo.
मैम हम ये जो आपने एक्सटीरियर एंगल निकाला है इसको हम लीनियर पेयर से भी लीनियर
ये लीनियर पेयर से ही निकाला है, but reason is linear pair. Reason is linear pair. Reason is only linear pair. Now, can I move to the next question?
Yes ma'am.
All of you, somebody else also I want to answer. Tanzil, have you copied down?
Yes, ma'am.
Kunal, have you noted? Kunal, have you noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Aarti is also saying yes. Very good. I'm doing the next question now. Next question has two parts. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with the measure of each exterior angle 22 degrees? And the B part says, can there be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Can it be interior angle of any regular polygon? Why? We have to give the reason. See, whenever we are able to divide 360 by a number and we get a whole number, then only we can have regular polygon. Otherwise, we cannot have. Now let's see how should we go for it. We will divide again number of sides of regular polygon with measure of exterior angle as 22 degree. What will happen? We will not get a whole number. We will not get a whole number. If you are not getting a whole number, it means I cannot find the number of sides. So no regular polygon can have measure of exterior angle as 22 degree. Wait. Apurva has asked some question. Anji, Apurva, bolo.
मैम नहीं मैम आंसर देना था मुझे.
Okay. Now in the second part, they are saying, can it be an interior angle? If it is an interior angle, I need to find exterior angle of it. When I found exterior angle, it becomes 158, and we try to divide. Again, I did not get a whole number. So I can say no regular polygon can have measure of interior angle also as 22 degree. And the reason is that we are not getting a whole number when we are dividing an exterior angle by 360. Am I clear, children? You can show it by thumb if it is clear. Krish, now have you understood? Krish, beta samajh aa raha hai? You can. Very good. He has said yes. Otherwise, I have unmuted you also. Aman, are you able to note down? Aman, I want the answer. Otherwise, I will remove you people. I'll remove you. Have you noted down? You can't switch your video, audio on. You just put it on, zoom on, and you can move here and there. You have to answer back. Aman, I'm going to write in your class group today. Your parents are there in the group? I'll write in the group. Aman is not answering. Sia? Sia? Same with Sia? Sia? Class is creating nuisance day by day. Divyansh, have you noted down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can I go for sixth question then? Can I go for sixth question? Prableen, can I move to sixth question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You're not answering, then I'll move. Sixth question says, it again has two parts. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why? And second part says, what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? You have to give reasons for both. Let's see. See to find what is the minimum interior angle possible. What is a minimum polygon with minimum number of sides? Who will tell? Polygon with minimum number of sides. Yes, Shivansh.
Yes, ma'am.
What is
Ma'am, the minimum exterior angle of a interior angle, ma'am, the smallest sided polygon is regular polygon is equilateral triangle, and its each side is 60 degrees. So answer is 60 degrees.
No. What is the minimum? I am asking. What is which polygon has minimum number of sides? Hamza wants to answer. Hamza, bolo.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, a triangle with 60 degrees, 60-degree interior angle.
Very good. An equilateral triangle, we can
yes,
say
ma'am,
in the better
60
way.
degrees.
An equilateral
60
triangle.
degrees.
An equilateral triangle. Let's see. So minimum number of sides of a regular polygon can be 3. So interior angle of this polygon is going to be 60 degrees. Same way, minimum interior angle is going to be 180 minus.
180 minus 60.
Yes. The answer comes out. Exterior angle we will find out using this only. So you can say maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon is 120 degree, and the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon is 60 degrees. Please note down, children. Put your hands down if you're clear with it. That only creates the box you are talking about. Your video panel. I keep video panel so that I can talk to you. And you're raising hands. That only creates the boxes there. Boxes are those boxes only.
मैम मिनिमम इंटीरियर एक्सटीरियर एंगल क्या होता है पॉलीगन का?
मिनिमम
एक्सटीरियर एंगल पॉलीगन में
मिनिमम एक्सटीरियर एंगल कैसे निकालेंगे? मिनिमम एक्सटीरियर एंगल नहीं होता बेटा, मैक्सिमम एक्सटीरियर एंगल निकाल सकते हैं, बिकॉज देयर इज नो infinite number of sides can be there. Okay, we cannot find minimum. We can find minimum interior angle and we can find maximum exterior angle.
ओके.
Please do not write chat right now. I can't read these chats. Those who are writing chats to me, please do not write. I can focus on you. You can raise your hand. I'll solve your query. Do not write anything. I have to focus on the question. If I focus on all these things, I'm not able to focus on the question. Same way I tell you people. Yes, children, we are finished with this exercise. I'm stopping this sharing. And I'm going, as I told you in the starting, I'm going to mark today attendance at the last. All those who will be present in the last. I can see 23 children. 23 children will be marked. I'll just check in the last. Akriti has raised her hand. Let me ask what is the query. Akriti. Yes, beta. Akriti, bolo.
Ma'am, I wanted to say that I was not able to see the screen.
Are you now able to see?
No.
It is shared. It is shared. It is shared.
No, it's still loading.
It is loading. Then say some network issue is there, beta. There is some network issue.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll send this PPT. Did you hear all the steps I speak? Did you hear all the steps I speak? Akriti. Please show it by thumb if you have done. Pranay, bolo. Yes, Pranay.
मैम वो गलती से खड़ा हो हाथ ऐसे पहले का था.
Okay. Shivansh. Do you have query? Yes, Shivansh. Shivansh, Khanna, do you have
Ma'am?
query?
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that, ma'am, to find the interior, to find the number of sides, only exterior angles are required.
Yes, to find number of sides, exterior angle is required. Because exterior angle sum is fixed. Exterior angle sum is fixed. Okay? Or if you want,
ma'am.
you can do that way.
360, yes.
Wait. You can apply the formula n minus 2 into 100. 180 is equal to number.
Yes.
That way you can do. If you know sum of interior angles, of
No,
a
ma'am,
regular polygon, okay, n minus 2 multiplied with 180 is equal to sum of interior angles. You can apply that if you know the sum. Okay? If you know the sum, you can apply that. N minus 2 into 180.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now the next topic.
Yes.
Next topic is, now what I expect that after this module, my children are able to apply exterior angle property. I am stopping this share. And I'm stopping this share, and I'll explain the properties of parallelograms. Please listen through those properties, very important properties, and we are going to apply in the next class. Let me just mark attendance also. I told you, I'll take in the last. It will take just a second. And I'm going to use this only every time now. You people really trouble a lot, especially your class. No other class does like this, misbehaves. I'm sharing one video, one PPT, which will help you to understand the properties. Hurry up, children, just look at it. Can you see this slide? Can you see the slide? Hamza, can you see the slide?
नहीं मैंने. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll just go through it. Again, in this module, we'll be studying properties. We'll be studying properties of parallelogram. Very important properties we are going to apply in the next class. First property is opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are congruent. You are going to write these properties from your book. They are mentioned in your book also. All these properties must be noted down before the next class. All these properties must be noted down. If you want, you can write right now. Give the heading properties of parallelograms. Start writing properties of parallelograms. And write the first property. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are congruent. You can say congruent, or you can say or of equal measure. It's one of the same thing. Are you all writing down, children? Akriti, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Otherwise, these properties are mentioned in your book in italics. I'll mention the page numbers today. Next property is opposite angles are congruent. Can you see here? Angle B and angle D are marked with same symbol. Angle A and angle C are marked with the same symbol. This shows angle A and angle C are equal. Angle D and angle B are equal. Congruent means they have equal measure. Next is consecutive angles are supplementary. Consecutive bole, yeah, we can say adjacent angles. Means measure of angle A and B. A and B will add up to 180. B and C will add up to 180, C and D will add up to 180, and D and A will add up to 180. So the consecutive angles are supplementary. Now, diagonals bisect each other. This is very important. Diagonals bisect each other. It means AE or EC, they are equal. DE and ED are equal. Please do not get confused with this. Diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal, but they are bisecting. Diagonals are not equal, but they are bisecting. Means AC is not equal to BD, but AE is equal to EC and BE is equal to ED. Am I clear, children? Shreyash, are the properties clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Tanish, are the properties clear? Tanish, I don't know whether he's there or not. I have a doubt. Apurva.
Yes, ma'am.
Properties are clear, beta. We are going to apply this in the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
class. So this is a sum up that both pairs of opposite sides are congruent. Both pairs of opposite angles are congruent. Consecutive angles are supplementary. Diagonals bisect each other but not congruent. Diagonals bisect each other but are not congruent. So after this module, we have learned the properties of parallelogram. I am going to now ask you one by one the properties. Okay? I am going to ask you one by one the properties. Yes. Tanish, tell one property of parallelogram.
Ma'am, opposite sides are equal.
Very good. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Very good. Hamza, any other property?
Ma'am, opposite angles are congruent.
Opposite angles are congruent, or you can say they are of equal measure. Opposite angles are of equal measure. Krish, any other property?
And diagonals bisect each other, but they are not congruent.
Very good. Diagonals bisect each other, but they are not congruent. Ishmit. Fourth property. One property is left. Ishmit, are you there? Ishmit, are you there? Apurva, bolo property.
Ma'am, consecutive angles are supplementary.
Very good. We can, instead of consecutive, we can also say adjacent. Both are correct. In your book, it is mentioned adjacent, but it has the same meaning. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Their sum is 180. We are telling you so that we can apply these in the next exercise. When we'll do next in the next class, I'll tell you the figures to be drawn before you come to the class. हम आपको figures बताएंगे कौन-कौन से draw करके आएंगे आप, so that you all can apply the properties. Am I clear, children? We'll be able to apply the properties. Akriti, yes. Yes, beta.
And I wanted to say that there is also one property that opposite sides are parallel.
Parallel, but parallel and equal, it's a definition of parallelogram, but one of the main properties equal, because sometimes it will happen, one side will be given to you and opposite side is need to be found. Sometimes one side is given as a value, other side is expressed in expression form. We have to equate and get the value. Am I clear, children? Please learn these properties by heart. Learn these properties by heart. We can again ask from some more children. Probably repeat any one property. Repeat any one property.
Ma'am, opposite sides are parallel and equal.
Very good. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Arnav Bansal, repeat one property. Arnav, you have to answer, beta. If you're coming in the class, you have to answer. You have to answer, otherwise for next time I'll not allow you to sit in my class. Aman. Aman. Ishit, you want to answer? Any property you can tell about parallelogram?
Opposite sides are congruent.
बेटा वो तो बताया प्रबलीन ने, कुछ और बताओ जल्दी से. Some other property?
Ma'am, consecutive angles are supplementary.
Very good. Adjacent angles or consecutive angles are supplementary. They add up to 180. See, in the question it will happen, one angle will be given, other angle is to be found. Okay, Apurva, yes, you want to say something?
No, ma'am, I want to say the properties only.
Okay, Divyansh, tell one property faster. Any
Teacher,
favorite property of yours?
Congruent.
Repeat, Divyansh.
The diagonals bisect each other but are not congruent.
Very good. This property was least spoken. Only once we spoke. So diagonals bisect each other, but they are not congruent. This line you have to keep in mind that they are not congruent. Okay. Krish has query. Krish, any query, beta?
मैम पैरेललोग्राम की कितनी लाइंस होती है सिमेट्री की?
Symmetry की? No symmetric line.
मैम ये
No symmetric line. Okay. No symmetric
मैम
line.
गूगल में तो बताते हैं मैम 2 लाइंस ऑफ सिमेट्री है.
No symmetric lines. Now, children, did you enjoy the class? Were you all able to understand whatever we have done in the class? You can speak up the answers. I have unmuted you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We are trying our best to do our best. Whatever